Oh, gadget!
Hey guys, welcome to my new video, and today I'm going to be doing same video like last time. We are going to be reviewing VR. So hopefully I get to test the VR, please. And let's see how it goes. Hopefully it goes the same like 3D printing it. Let's go.
What VR does is activate the motor cortex and our sensory system in a way that's similar to a real-life experience. And as an outside observer, you might not be able to see somebody experiencing presence.
Zooming and up here. No, that's for zooming, and up here is to adjust the eye contact. So it needs to be crystal clear.
Is it again? Is it restarted?
Yeah, it restarts when you fall completely.
You're still falling?
It just restarts.
Now it's restarted. Right?
Nice, yeah.
It's
restarted.
Try to
Yeah, it's really long.
just a longer this time.
Ouch.
Okay, you can restart and you can try. Teach us how to use.
Oh, you have to turn around. It's going. You have to go this way, and you just zoom in.
Fall down. If I move this way, then I'm falling down.
He doesn't want to fall down.
Yeah.
He's a smart man.
Just don't break. I'm still going. Okay, I'm falling now. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh.
Don't look down. Don't look down.
Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no, this is falling. Oh no. Oh god. No. Okay, that's gross.
I'm not falling.
You don't want to fall.
Thank you.
Yeah. You just put it.
Open the window. Open the window.
Is image clear to you? You can adjust.
Not so much.
Oh, that's it so you have a better experience. Here on top.
Oh yeah, I forgot to say the zooming thing.
Yeah, you feel the button.
Just don't look down. Damn it. I know. It's
I was trying to.
I'm very good at falling down.
Oh god.
Wow.
Well, look at the screen. It has a greater chance of breaking the glass.
I just hate. Come, I'll make you fall down. Don't worry, I don't want to really make you
I
fall
will try to
down.
do the same when you do.
So the point is when you focus on one of the dots, it moves you. You
Yeah.
don't have to move on your own.
You have like a circle and you can get it. Yeah, you're like standing on. There we go. Oh
I
god.
tell you.
If you have a high building, maybe you can look up. It looks pretty good.
Do you have any other apps? No?
I have a Mars. So I think you just I don't know, a Darth Vader.
Oh yeah, it's like I'm Darth Vader.
You are wearing the mask.
With a spaceship?
No,
Have you seen the spaceship?
no,
Really?
you stole that from me too.
Come on, look around. There is one floating in the air.
No,
How? Maybe it's behind you.
Maybe it's behind you.
We're up.
No, it's not up. It's just.
Yeah, you can see it.
oh,
Ooh.
Have you ever tried going in one direction for an hour or something?
No.
No?
I would just get sick.
I mean, I would be interested to know whether there is in the end. Of,
I want to get to the spaceship.
but
And
yeah,
fly away.
Nice. This is so cool.
Yeah, it's a 21 square meter which moves as you walk. Like the ones you see at the gym. It's just when you start moving, it moves. But if you change direction and start onto the picture, and it's a very, very good design. So you can really have, and this recording device is like 100 euros or 150 euros.
I really had fun, and I might be going to that like a special fest, I don't know, but I'll see, and I'll probably make some more videos like this. And yeah, this was really fun. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.